And you didn't even tell us what it was. So let's check it out. Oh, no way! No! Yes, I got it! It's the new Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Diary of a Wimpy Kid Double Down, book number 11. This is awesome, right, Katie? This is going to be very funny.
What do you think it's about?
I don't know.
Does it say on the back?
The pressure's really pulling up on Greg Heffley. His mom thinks video games are turning his brain to mush, so she wants her son to put down the controller and explore his creative side. And if that's not scary enough, Halloween is just around the corner, and the frights are coming at Greg from every angle. When he discovers a bag of gummy worms, it sparks an idea. Can Greg get his mom off his back by making a movie? And will he become rich and famous in the process? Or will doubling down on his pain just double Greg's troubles? That rhymes.
Cool.
Everybody loves the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series.
Awesome. So maybe once you've read the book, then you can make another video on what you think about it, like a review.
They always have a front. Okay, who's
Okay,
that?
let's check it out. What's going on here?
This is just the front, like one those like introduction pages that has all the books here. I can't see.
Cool.
It's too dark. Well, this is the. Hope you creeps are enjoying yourselves.
All right. Is there any final words you would like to say?
Well, I'm really happy we got. Me and Toasty Pony got this.
Are you going to read to your sister?
Uh-huh. Even Katie thinks it's funny.
Cool. All right. Why don't we say goodbye until next time?
Goodbye.